Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPG version of the phone mockup in Pixlr. So go to pixlr.com in any web browser and then double click the Pixlr X Quick and Easy Design button. And then just double click the Open Image button. And then find the mockup. It'll ask us if we want to size it down. We'll just select Original and then click Apply to open the original size. And now to add your design, you just want to click on this little square icon on the left hand side with the diagonal lines. This is Add Element Image when you hover over it. And then click on Add Media. And then just find your design off the computer. You might need to size it down, so just click on any of the four corners and drag. And once you see this 4-arrow move tool and you hover over it, you can just kind of click and drag the image into place. It's a little too tall for us, so we'll cut some of the excess out. Just click on this scissors tool on the left hand side that says cut out when you hover over it. Make sure the shape cutout tool with the square and the circle is selected under tool, and then make sure the square shape is selected under shape, and just click and drag from the upper left hand corner to the lower right, and that'll crop out all our excess. And that's all there is to adding your design to the JPG version of the phone mockup in Pixlr. If you're going to be using this image online as a thumbnail on a website like Etsy, you'll want to save a version as a JPG. So just click Save. And then make sure JPG is selected. I would change the quality to 100 and leave it on high. And then just click Save As to save it somewhere on your computer. And it'll save for a few seconds and try and show you an ad. If you wanted to save the native Pixlr document too, you could always come back here again and click the Save button again. And then this time select PXC and then click Save As again. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.